The age-old rivalry between cats and dogs has long been a source of amusement and fascination for pet owners and animal enthusiasts alike. This ongoing feud has sparked countless memes, viral videos, and even inspired famous cartoons like Tom and Jerry. While it's true that not all cats and dogs are sworn enemies, it's also undeniable that many of these interactions end in confrontations where the dogs seem to be the underdogs, so to speak. In this video, we will delve into the reasons behind this phenomenon and explore why dogs often find themselves on the losing side of these skirmishes. One of the primary reasons behind the frequent conflicts between cats and dogs lies in their evolutionary history. Cats are solitary hunters by nature, and their ancestors, such as the African wildcat, have been solitary creatures for millions of years. On the other hand, dogs are descendants of pack animals like wolves, which rely on teamwork and hierarchy within the group. This fundamental difference in their evolutionary backgrounds often translates into their behavior in the domestic setting. Another factor that contributes to the perception of dogs as the losers in these conflicts is the size disparity between the two species. While there are certainly some dog breeds larger than most cats, the average house cat is significantly smaller than the average dog. This size difference often gives cats an advantage in agility, speed, and the ability to squeeze into tight spaces, making them harder for dogs to catch or pin down. Cats and dogs communicate differently, and this can lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. Dogs are social animals that use body language and vocalizations to express themselves. They are often more overt in their intentions, such as wagging their tails when they're happy or growling when they're agitated. Cats, on the other hand, are more subtle and rely heavily on body language, including the position of their ears, tail, and the arch of their back. These differences in communication can lead to misinterpretations and provoke confrontations. Both cats and dogs are territorial creatures, but they have different ways of asserting their territory. Dogs are more likely to defend a larger, defined area like a yard, while cats tend to stake out smaller indoor territories within a household. When a cat feels its territory is being invaded by a dog, it may react aggressively to protect its space. This can lead to confrontations where the dog appears to be the aggressor, even if it didn't initially intend to provoke the cat. Cats have a strong predatory drive, and they often engage in play that simulates hunting behaviors. This can include pouncing, stalking, and batting at objects or other animals. When a cat directs this behavior towards a dog, it may appear aggressive, leading the dog to react defensively. In many cases, the dog's response is not an attempt to harm the cat, but rather an instinctual reaction to protect itself. Unfortunately, this defensive behavior can make the dog appear as the loser in the conflict. Individual personalities. It's important to remember that not all cats and dogs clash, and when they do, the outcome can vary widely based on the individual personalities and temperaments of the animals involved. Some dogs are more submissive, while others may be more assertive. Likewise, some cats are more dominant, while others are more timid. These personality traits can significantly influence the dynamics of their interactions. Human actions and reactions can also play a role in the perception of dogs as the losing side in conflicts with cats. People often intervene to protect the smaller cat, inadvertently reinforcing the idea that the dog is the aggressor. Additionally, human laughter or encouragement during these interactions can further exacerbate the situation. Dogs and cats often clash with each other, and the dog often seems to be the loser, which can be due to a combination of factors. It's essential for pet owners to understand these factors and take steps to manage interactions between their feline and canine companions to ensure the safety and well-being of both. With proper training, socialization, and supervision, cats and dogs can coexist harmoniously, and their interactions can become a source of entertainment and joy for their human caregivers.